Persons are being advised to be wary of their lifestyle choices, including avoiding overindulgence in things like fast food. This is to prevent the individual from getting metabolic syndrome, which can cause severe health complications. Shamela Pulent explains in the health report.
Metabolic syndrome is at least 3 out of 5 medical conditions that increase your risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Nephrologist Dr. Marius Badal says the condition can lead to a wide range of complications.
Normally, if you have hypertension or diabetes, you can have coronary artery disease, which can lead you to heart attack, chest pain, heart failure, which can lead to where your patient may have shortness of breath. So these are some of the symptoms the patient may present. Also, they may have what you call sleep apnea. They have difficulty sleeping at night time because of the obesity.
Dr. Badal says the condition is becoming increasingly common, especially among certain groups.
We find that it is very common now in teenagers, adolescents, and in adults. We find there was approximately 25 million children having metabolic syndrome, and approximately 30 million adolescents having metabolic syndrome, with adults having close to 30 to 31 million individuals with metabolic syndrome.
A physical exam and blood tests usually confirm if the individual has metabolic syndrome. Dr. Badal says the condition is reversible. This can be through lifestyle changes and or medication.
Try to avoid the fast foods, drink the water, exercise, get rest as recommended, about 6 to 8 hours at night, and hopefully we can try to reverse this metabolic syndrome and the complications of metabolic syndrome.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.